Filmmaker Anurag Kashyap has landed in legal trouble yet again, and this time things are getting serious. The controversy began months ago during the release buzz around the film Phule, based on social reformers Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule. While the film aimed to spotlight caste injustice and the revolutionary work of the Phules, it drew criticism from certain Brahmin groups who felt the portrayal of their community was negative and biased. As protests erupted in parts of India against the film, Anurag Kashyap, never the one to stay silent, took to Instagram and posted a series of strongly worded stories. In those posts, he directly hit back at the protesting Brahmin communities, questioning their mindset and directly blaming them for historical caste oppression. His language wasn't soft, and that's where the backlash snowballed. People began accusing him of targeting a particular community and using his platform to provoke sentiments. Many labeled his remark as hate speech and said a public figure like him should act more responsibly. The outrage gained traction and before long, legal action followed. Now, in the latest development, a Surat based court has summoned Anurag Kashyap to appear in person on May 7, 2025. Over the complaint filed against his comments, this came after a local advocate named Pradeep Jha filed a petition claiming Anurag Kashyap's statement hurt religious sentiment and disrespected the Brahmin community. The court found merit in the complaint and has taken it seriously enough to proceed with legal action. Kashyap is being summoned under various sections of the Indian Penal Code that deal with promoting enmity between groups and hurting religious sentiment. Interestingly, this is not the first time Anurag Kashyap has faced heat for his outspoken nature. He is known for being bold, opinionated, and never shying away from controversy. But this time, even he realized he may have gone too far. After the uproar and mounting criticism, Anurag Kashyap issued a public apology saying he regretted letting his anger take over. He admitted that his choice of words was wrong and even said that his own extended family includes members of the Brahmin community who were hurt by what he said. In his apology, he mentioned that he would work on managing his anger better and promised to avoid such language in the future. However, the legal wheels are already turning and it remains to be seen what the outcome will be after his court appearances in May. This entire episode once again opens up a larger conversation about freedom of speech versus public responsibility. When someone like Anurag Kashyap speaks, with millions watching and listening, do they bear a higher responsibility? Should anger or ideology justify targeting a community, even if it's in reaction to being criticized? What do you think? Did Anurag go too far, or is he simply a victim of speaking uncomfortable truth in an increasingly sensitive time? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal.